Thank you for your interest in the basic facial chair. This video will cover chair assembly. There are just a few steps, so it doesn't take long to get the chair treatment ready. Let's begin. The easiest way to assemble the chair is by putting it upside down like this. Next, take the L-shaped brackets and remove the wing nuts. Go to the center section of the chair. Take an L bracket and put it into this slot. Make sure the L goes into the slot from the outside edge of the chair. You'll see that the outside holes line up perfectly with the bracket. Do the same thing on the other side. Put the wing nuts back on and tighten them until they're snug. Next, take the U-shaped brackets and remove the wing nuts. Now take the U brackets and make sure that they go up into the holes. Attach one bracket like this and tighten the wing nuts. Do the same thing on the other side. Next, take the T-shaped brackets. You'll notice that they are different lengths. The short one is for the footrest and the long one is for the backrest. We'll assemble the footrest first, so grab the short T bracket. First, remove the screw at the end of the bracket. Put the end of the bracket into the hole here. Remove the nuts and bolts on the footrest. Then it's as simple as putting the bolts through the holes and tightening everything up. You can use a couple 10mm wrenches to tighten the nuts and bolts a little. There's no need to tighten them too much, just a few turns will do. Don't forget to put the screw back in at the end of the T-bracket. You can snug it up with a Phillips head screwdriver. Now the footrest is all assembled. Now take the longer T-shaped bracket and repeat the same process on the backrest. Don't forget to use the 10mm wrenches to tighten the nuts and bolts. And don't forget to put the screw back into the end of the T-bracket. The last thing to do is attach the table paper holder. That's all there is to it. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to assemble the basic facial chair. Now your chair is ready for your next treatment.